Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Itadalaye Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tad Bhaktaya Namo Namaha. Why were you created? Out of love, with love, for love. God wants us to experience the highest possible bliss. What is that? To play with Him in spontaneous, unconditional love exchange, which is ever-increasing bliss of perfect reciprocation. And how that? In your eternal, true, and most beautiful Sat Chit Ananda body. That means a body which is comprised of true eternal existence, pure consciousness, and ever-increasing bliss. That is the blossomed soul body. And where can that happen? It will happen in His highest Sat Chit Ananda abode, the abode of Govindam, the original enjoyer, the cause of all causes. And that abode, of course, is also made of Sat Chit Ananda, true existence, pure consciousness, and ever-increasing bliss. But if you want less joy, you can try for one of the other options. A. Try to enjoy your senses in one of the material dimensions, or try to relinquish all your senses in impersonal liberation. The choice is ours. May the OM.Love be with you. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.